Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get verified on Instagram. Let's get started. Getting verified proves you are who you say you are. You'll get a blue check next to your name, which makes your account look more professional and trustworthy. From your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Activity and select Account Center. Scroll down and tap Show that your profile is verified, and here you'll see the benefits like the verified badge. Tap Unlock Benefits to continue. Then you'll see the subscription cost, which may vary depending on your region. Tap Sign Up and follow the steps. You'll need to enable two-factor authentication and add your ID for verification. Once complete, your subscriptions activates. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.